Hi everyone, I'm Liz.
And I'm Julia.
And we're super excited because a few weeks ago we launched our brand new rustic gear kits, which is super exciting, but a couple of you have had questions about what exactly is inside of them and why our travel experts thought that these were the essential pieces. So what's important to note is our kits come in 3 sizes. It starts on a more carry-on size level, then gets a little bit bigger, then goes to our ultimate kit, which is actually what we're going to talk about today. So that piece actually includes the luggage and just a lot more of the essentials. So as a note, you still need to pack your socks and shoes and clothes. These are just the essential pieces that maybe you don't think about or need a little extra help because this might be your first off the map kind of adventure. So the first piece is the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel.
This is my favorite. I love this because it doesn't have wheels on it. It has backpack straps. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. It's also waterproof, so it's very durable in general. Patagonia bags withstand the test of time. And it just fits so much stuff inside. So,
yeah, it's definitely easier than trying to pack in a hard suitcase or one with wheels when you might not have big roads. So the next piece is a Patagonia traditional backpack. It's a perfect day pack. It also is great for a carry-on. We love Patagonia, super durable, and it's also just a great company. We have a Patagonia raincoat. Last Patagonia piece. But it's rainy season in a lot of communities that you're going to be traveling to, so this is a pretty clutch item. Yeah. We did say that you still have to pack your own clothes, but we couldn't not give you a Rustic Pathways t-shirt too. So this was designed by Julia.
Yeah. So this is a one-of-a-kind piece. We are highlighting a couple destinations from our rustic programs. So we have Machu Picchu, the Redwoods, Thai boats, the Moroccan sand dunes, jungle elements, and of course turtles, because turtles are awesome. So yeah.
And while we talk about turtles, that also means water, which brings us to our next piece. Reusable, quick-dry pack towels. So these are actually made out of an awesome material that dries really, really quickly. And additionally, they fold up really small. So when I pack 2 of these. One is my bath towel and one as my beach towel, and I'm good to go. And you can pick between 2 designs in your gear kits, so whatever your fancy may be. And when you're traveling, you might not want to put a wet towel in your bag. Totally fine and very understandable. So we included a reusable bag. It actually folds up really small. So it includes a carabiner, so you can put it on your backpack when you need the bag. It's there for you. And then as we start to get into carry-on items, a couple of the essentials are
this airplane kit.
Includes toothpaste, toothbrush, everything, and then also reusable plastic bottles for your toiletries. These are TSA-approved sizes, clear bags so that you can see it in your backpack on the airplane, and cuts down on the plastic from getting individual bottles for sure.
Yeah. One thing I love about these is that when you go to Thailand, it's going to be a really long day, and having all of your essentials here in hand.
Can't forget anything.
Yeah, no.
And then this is also a great packing hack. So these are packing bags. So you have a laundry bag, a shoe bag. A lot of our programs involve service, which means your shoes will get dirty, so you don't want to put those next to your clean laundry. And then one just to have. When you pack in a duffel bag, sometimes things can get messy, so these keep everything in order and really organized. All right, we love these pieces. So this is Sunbum Sunscreen, smells amazing. It's 30 SPF, and then it also includes an SPF lip balm and aloe. Wear sunscreen. If you're going on a 2, 3, or 4 week trip, this is just the essentials. You will still need to pack a little bit more. And same with this bug spray. It's Ben's 30% deep bug spray. You can get it in the travel kit. You can also get it at any outdoor store. You will probably need more of this if you're traveling for longer. This is one of our favorites. Works really well.
Yeah, these are the real MVPs.
Protect your skin. A reusable water bottle. Way better, cuts down on plastic, and also just make sure that you're hydrated all the time. I put a carabiner on this and put it on my backpack.
Yes, same.
I'm going to let you do this one because you love the water.
So this is a waterproof phone case. Every program involves water of some sort. And this is just like really convenient. It protects your phone, you have a lanyard, win-win.
Good to go. The next piece is a headlamp. It's one of my favorite pieces, especially if you're in a homestay or maybe your roommate wants to go to sleep and you still want to keep reading. So a headlamp has you covered. It's also very fashionable. And then the last piece that also has to do with light is a Waka Waka universal converter. So this is always a piece I forget. And so my travel essential. So it works in any location around the world. It also has USB ports, so you can plug all of your electronics into it. It's also by a company called Waka Waka. They're one of our partners. We love their stuff. In addition to creating really awesome products, they also have a portion of the proceeds go to giving light to communities that might not have it. So a lot of their stuff is solar powered, which when they give to their communities, allows communities around the world to have electricity.
All the feels. Awesome.
So that is a very quick video of what is in the Essential Travel Pack and what our travel kits entail for this year. A very important thing to note is our gear does give back as well. So all of the Rustic Pathways gear that you can find at rusticgear.com, a portion of the proceeds go to the Rustic Pathways Foundation. So we have projects that are a little bit more longer term than what you might work on in the summer, and the portion of the funds go to supporting that. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, head to rusticgear.com to shop all of the packs and the individual pieces. Thanks, everybody.